Hello everyone, you are welcome on my YouTube channel The Learning Academy, and today's video is going to be very special, especially for those who want to learn spoken English, who want to take their spoken English on the next level, who want to get the fluency in English. So this video is just because of the tips and tricks that will help you to get your goal, that will take you to the next level of fluency. So in this video I am going to give you 7 tips that will help you a lot. So the first tip is that if you want to get the fluency, you speak a lot, as much as you can, because if you keep speaking, if you keep wherever you get the chance, however you get the chance, you just speak English. Make sure that whenever you, wherever you, however you get the chance, you would just speak English. You will just speak English because it can help you a lot. And the second tip is for that is use the simple language, as simple as you can. You are always advised to use simple language. You are not advised to use Shashi Tharoor's language or Shah Rukh Khan's English, because that language, that English is very hard. That is not for you. That is for those who are on already higher level. So I suggest you to use simple language because that can help you a lot to get to the next level. So you are advised to use simple language. Don't think that what people will say about that, because if you use the simple language, that can be understood easily by everyone, because English is a language that is used to give the message, that convey your message. Appreciated always. So use as simple as you can. My third tip is shadowing. Shadowing means if you listen someone, if you watch any video, if you watch or listen as any song, then try to shadow that. Shadow that means try to speak after that as much as you can. If you are not in first time, try to play that again and again and again, and try to shadowing them, because if you use this technique, then you will see or feel the difference, because this is the technique that is used by so many people to get the fluency. So the next tip is that read loudly. Most of the students I have seen who want to learn speak English read a lot of books, read a lot of newspapers, a lot of things, lot of study material, but they do not speak loudly. So you are recommended, you are advised that whenever you want to speak, you speak loudly, you read loudly. So you are advised whenever you read loudly, because it will help you to get the fluency. Because if you read loudly, then your tongue will twist according to the English words, English letters, and you can get the fluency easily. That will reduce your pronunciation related mistakes. So this is the tip that can help you to get your level, to get what you want to get. And the next tip for you is that learn phrases. You are not recommended, you are not advised to learn just simple single words. You are advised to learn idioms, phrases, because if you learn phrases, that can make your language not only impressive, even that can make you fluent also. So if you want to get the fluency, then learn phrases, not simple words. So this is the tip. And the next tip is that for you, fake it till you make it. It means if you want to speak English, you need not to show that you are afraid of speaking English. You don't know much about speaking English. You are not fluent in speaking English. You are just trying to speak English. Even show others that you are a good English speaker, you have good knowledge, your vocabulary is good, you know everything about the grammar, and you can speak in a better way. You are fluent. So fake it till you make it is the tip that can help you to get what you want. And the next tip is that be passionate. This is the last but not least. Be passionate. If you just want to learn spoken English, if you want to just speak English, if you have just wish to speak English, that is not enough. Because if you want to speak English, if you want to be fluent, then you will have to be passionate. And passion is the thing that can help you to get your goal, that can help you to be fluent. So you will have to adopt this advice, you will have to follow this advice, because if you are passionate about something, then you can get the success in getting that thing, you can get the success in getting the fluency, you can get the fluency easily, but you will have to be passionate about that. And one bonus tip that I want to give you: most of the students want to learn spoken English, they want to be fluent, but what do? They start speaking, they start learning, they just start speaking some sentences, but they get irritated, they get demotivated, they think that they think that it is not possible to get the fluency, so they leave in the middle. So I would request in my bonus tip that be consistent. If you are consistent, then only you can learn, you can get the goal, you can get the fluency. So be consistent, be consistent, be consistent if you want to speak English. So these are the tips, guys, that I have given thousands of students that are getting benefited, that have got the fluency. So if you adopt these tips, then definitely these tips will help you also. So I hope that you would have understood, you would have noted down all the tips that can take your English on the next level. So this was the video that I hope that will help you a lot. And before leaving, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel so that you can get all the notifications. Thanks for watching my video, and before leaving, I would like to request you once more that please subscribe my channel so that I can help you to get such kind of videos time to time, because I will make so many videos time to time so that can help you to get your goal. So thanks for watching my video.